Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend Yaros, you all are watching Tech, and today in this video, I'm going to talk with you about some facts which you didn't know about Samsung. So without further ado, let's get started. Samsung did that very first sold in 1938, since they were founded also in 1938, and up to 30 years they hadn't came up in an industry of a tech market. I mean, so they were selling only noodles and some grocery stuff by the market. Samsung is not only in the market of selling the phones, TVs, they have a very huge ecosystem. Not only they sell the smartphones and TVs and fridges, also they sold even cars. It's kind of crazy company over here. Even though they have a 90% of the tech products which you are using are from the Samsung, or even a single piece inside that tech is made by the Samsung. Samsung, a company who has a really huge ecosystem, not only serves themselves in the market of tech, but also they are there in their country. Just as if you know, the newly came out Samsung's BTS edition smartphone. Also, the army over there in Korea are mostly imbued by Samsung devices. You can say Samsung aircraft, Samsung tabs. Samsung makes a really good TVs, and that efforts had came up in their smartphones. I'm talking about the panels of the smartphones. 70% to 80% of the smartphone companies takes the panel of Samsung itself, and it might be your phone also from you are viewing is by the Samsung panel. All Samsung products were reserved by the Global Environmental Certificate till 2013. That's kind of an amazing thing that a company who is in the tech market is also taking a look in the environmental field. According to the 2013, Samsung had more 460 employees than Apple, and that's a really amazing thing as the employment is also carried out by the Samsung. The Samsung logo we all know came into its existence in 1993. Before that, there were two logos, and one of them came into its existence before 1980s. And it's kind of amazing to know that a company has also different logos. Samsung came in the smartphone area really soon, and they weren't came up with the Android OS. I'm talking about Android OS. They came up with their very own OS known as Bara OS, and suddenly they came up after the extensions and a new era, their very own One UI. And you all know, you might be using Samsung smartphones, you have a taste of One UI once. Having a good ecosystem and a huge trust doesn't mean there is not a drawback. If you know Samsung Galaxy S7, yes, and S7 Edge, they both were really good smartphones, but due to the battery issues, Samsung lost their market in the battery sale after 2016, and people were crazy that should we trust in the battery field Samsung again? That was a huge question. Samsung's Silicon Valley, US headquarters, 34 electrical cars charging port are being installed. See, so what does that mean? Samsung has appeared their very own electrical chargers over USA's Silicon Valley. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like, share among your friends, and subscribe to Tech. By the way, this is me, your friend Yaros. You all are watching Tech, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay with Tech. Peace.